Hi, I'm Rosa. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm taking you with me as I clean up my house. It's a little bit of a mess right now. I have a lot of stuff going on. As you can see behind me, my counters are full of stuff. And I should have probably turned the video on sooner, but I didn't. I just got through using the carpet cleaner on my area rugs. I have 3 area rugs that needed cleaning, and I do it every so often. I actually have a note in my phone where I mark when I do it so that I do it several times throughout the year, or I know exactly how long it's been since I cleaned the last time, and I do that. And the reason I clean them is because of our pups. So this here is my family room, and I've actually moved the coffee table off the rug and clean this one with my Bissell carpet cleaner. And this one goes in my foyer. I pulled it out of the foyer because I mopped underneath it, but it's been cleaned as well. The third rug that I cleaned is this one in the living room. And we have this little gate in front of the living room opening to try to keep the dogs out, because sometimes they'll come in here on their own and decide to leave their little mark. So that's why I make sure and keep them clean. It's late in the day, it's about 20 till 7, and I just wanted to get some things done so that I feel more accomplished today, so that I go to bed knowing that a few things in my house are put back in order. Here's another view of the family room, and I'm going to keep the furniture off the rug that's not on it right now so that it will finish drying. I have the ceiling fans going and the air conditioning's down. Next thing I'm going to do is move this rug into the foyer. Next, I'm going to finish cleaning up and straightening out the living room so that it looks good. I'm going to wait till the rug is dry before I move the table back in. I had vacuumed in here earlier before I shampooed the rug, but wanted to give it just a little bit more. Now for my kitchen. It's a little bit of a mess, so I'm gonna work on straightening this out. That's gross. That's what came out of my carpets. Yep.
And when you dance, I'm in
forget how to take this apart. My husband drinks a lot of carrot juice, so I'm going to wash and prep these carrots. It's a 25-pound bag of carrots. It's been about an hour. I am done for now. At least my kitchen looks better. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. The eating area is cleaned up. I have the Bissell carpet cleaner attachments drying. The counter's pretty much cleaned up. My mop is still there. I did a quick mop of the floor in the kitchen. The carpet cleaner is drying, so I can put it away. I got some laundry folded and the carpets are clean. The living room is cleaned up and it looks pretty good for an hour's worth of work. Thank you for coming along with me as I cleaned up my kitchen area, or at least threw in an hour to clean some things up at the house so that when I go to bed tonight, I feel a little better about what I've done, and tomorrow morning the house isn't so messy. So I thank you for joining me. I thank you for hitting the subscribe button and the like button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.